the topic as I was doing you in the previous session, just continuation of the previous session, okay? But there is a change. When I will go into the real session, I will describe the change, okay? Now come, let us discuss the session. You see, in the previous session, we were working on complex to compound. But today I just wanted to make a change. So today we will be working from complex to simple. You know, there are so many rules, so many designs of sentences, and for each design there is a different explanation. However, today we will be working only on two designs. Two. Can you see my fingers? Two designs. Before going into the main theme, we will be working from complex to simple. So let me now go into the real session. Yes, one thing for you. As I am now going into the real session, you need not write any message. Do not write any text at this moment. Just listen to me carefully and try to get all the points I like to give you. Okay, thank you. As, since, because, though, although. These are, in English grammar, we call them conjunctions. We also call them connectors, and they have got another name, linking words. Linking word is not correct name, but however I like this because writing linking word is easy. However, so as, since, because, these are linking words. Though, although, these are also linking words. Okay, nice. But, because of, on account of, due to, and owing to. Because of, on account of, due to, and owing to. These are not linking words, these are prepositions. Prepositions. In spite of, this is another preposition, and despite, this is another preposition. Before going into the main activity, we should know something about the use of linking words and preposition. And one thing you have already noticed, I know, this because this is a linking word, but because of, this is another thing. This is not linking word, this is a preposition. There is a difference, and a great difference. Okay. Now let me know the Bangla meaning. Some Bangla meanings I have written them Bangla words for you. As means jehetu, since means jehetu, and because means karon. Okay. As means jehetu in Bangla, since means jehetu, because means karon. Am I clear? But here you see, because of means karone. Here is one Bangla ekar. This is, these two are, this is karon and this is karone. these two are not same, they are different. I will discuss a few minutes later, okay? So because this is a linking word and because of this is a preposition, okay? Another confusing thing is this is in spite of. This is a preposition, but when we use despite, then we must not use any of here. This of is a mistake. We must not write any of here when it is despite. In spite of one thing, despite single word, you must not use any of with this despite. Only despite is enough, okay? So though Bangla meaning jodiyo, although Bangla meaning jodiyo, same meaning, okay? In spite of Bangla meaning satteo, despite Bangla meaning satteo, same meaning. Now come to know about the difference between linking words and prepositions. Grammatical difference. I have some sentences for you. Look. First, I supported the man. I supported the man because he was right. Look, this because, this is a linking word, okay? Let me change the color. Because this is a linking word, and because of, this is preposition. This is a link preposition, and the above one is the linking word. Am I clear up to this? Okay. Now, when we use linking word, after linking word, this is a subject. He is a subject. And after subject, there is a tense word, was. This is past tense. So what we can know from this thing, because it is a linking word, after the linking word, there is always a subject, and after the subject, there is always a tense word, a verb expressing tense. Okay? But if it is a preposition, after the preposition, there is no subject. He is, this is not subject, he is the subject. His is not a subject. So, after the preposition, there is no subject and there is no tense word. Here it is tense word, past tense. So, this is a great difference between a linking word, and a preposition. Linking word. After the linking word, there is always a subject, and after the subject, there is always a tense word. Am I clear? But after the preposition, there is no subject, no tense word. Remember this thing. We have some more examples. The third sentence is same. The third sentence is same. I am not going to discuss it at this moment. I will discuss it later. Now come to this one. Though, this is a linking word. As you say here, though, jodiyo, this is a linking word. And after the linking word, here is a subject. And after the subject, here is a past tense. Past tense or present tense, any tense is allowed, but if it is linking word, just after the linking word, you should have a subject. Just after the subject, you should have a tense word. But here, This is not linking word, this is a preposition. And after the preposition, here is no subject, no tense word. Very important difference. Very, very important difference. You can write it in different ways. I am not going to discuss these two sentences at this moment. I just want to give you the information about linking words and preposition. After the linking word, you must write a subject, and after the subject, you must write a tense word. Okay? But after the preposition, you should not write any subject, you should not write any tense word. You can write a noun here. I will describe it just a few minutes later. Okay? So be careful about the difference between linking word and preposition. After the linking word, one subject and then one tense word. After the preposition, no subject, no tense word. Okay. Now come to our today's original class. And look here, these linking words, we use them in complex sentence. Okay? And all these prepositions, we use them for simple sentence. But these are not all. I have just pointed a few here. We have got some more linking words and some more prepositions also. Another thing, as is a linking word. When we change it for as, we can make it because of, for as, we can make it on account of, for as, we can make it due to, for as, we can make it owing to. That means it is not fixed. You can interchange anyone with anyone. Am I clear? Similarly, for since, you can use because of, for since you can use on account of, for since you can use due to, for since you can use owing to. All are correct. It is not fixed that for as, that means things are not fixed. Am I clear? So let me have a look over my audience. How is the audience doing? Nice. Sound is too low. Is it really? Why sound should be too low? I am using my regular sound. I am using my regular sound. I am sorry. I don't know. What about the other people? What about the other people? Shirin Kia, okay sir. What does okay sir mean? Are you talking about sound? So if you feel any disturbance, any problem with sound, make me sure. Okay, make me sure about the sound system. If it is clear or not. The sound is too low. Okay, let me just, sir, sound is not clearly. What is the problem? Yes sir, sound is too low. Then let me have a look. I am using my regular sound system. What about now? What about now? Sound is perfect. We can hear it clearly. I have increased my volume. Sir, sound is clear. So thank you. So please, the students, you kindly increase your volume. Okay? No sir, sound is clear. Sir, we can hear properly. But sir, I can't hear you properly. So there might be some problem with your set, with your device. Saira Akhtar Shuk, try to increase your sound. Okay. So thank you. Let me continue. If there is any other problem, you can talk to me. Sound is fine. Side is same. Sound is clear, sir. So many of the students are making comments that sound is clear. So I think sound is maybe clear, and some students may face difficulty because of his or her own problem. Okay. So we have got some explanation. Now I will go to the next discussion. Before going into the next discussion, I have one question for you, my dear students. Have you got the difference between linking word and preposition? Is it clear? Please give me a text. Linking word and preposition. Is it clear? Is it clear? After linking word, there is subject and tense word. But after preposition, there is no subject and no tense word. Is it clear to you? Give me text. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For all the students out here, kindly increase your volume if you are having any kind of disturbance about volume. Lutfur Rahman, an excellent suggestion. Yes, sir. It's clear. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's clear. Ji, sir. Rahim Rahman, you should write yes, sir. Okay. So thank you. It's clear. Now let's go to the next topic. The next topic is here. I have here 5 sentences for you. Today we are going to work on these 5 sentences. So the earlier, for as, we can use because of, or on account of, or due to, or owing to. For since, we can use because of, or on account of, due to, owing to. For because, we can use because of, on account of, due to, and owing to. Okay. For though, we can use in spite of or despite. For although, we can use in spite of or despite. Now, is there anybody to give me all these are? You look in this sentence, worked, it is past tense, and did, this is another past tense, and the linking word is since. So this is a complex sentence. Could, this is past tense. Try, tried, this is past tense, and the linking word is although. So this is another complex sentence. Similarly, all these are complex sentences. Now can you change them into simple sentence using this chart? The same chart is here. I am giving you 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. So try to send me some answers on these 5 sentences. Okay. Try to send me some answers on these 5 sentences. I am looking for your answers. Try to write. If you can change one, send it for me. You can send one by one. Anyone you can send. Because of hard working, she did well, as Shamin Ahmed sent. Sure, sir, we can give a try at least. Yes, Lutfur Rahman, you can at least give a try. Thank you. Because of she worked hard, she did well. Because of working hard, she did well. Jasmine Shanti, could you please give me the chart? Yes, I can give you the chart, but if the chart is here, then what about the sentences? The students need the sentences also. So you just take a screenshot of this page. Yeah, Giyashuddin Ahmed, just take a screenshot, okay? So thank you. Now I am going to the sentences again. Now 5 sentences are here. Because of working hard, she did well. So any more answers? She did well because of she worked hard. Okay. Any more answer? I am looking for your answers more and more. She did ... means well. Okay. Jannatul replied to Lutfur. Okay. Everybody write yourself. You need not share with your other friends. I couldn't try properly. Jannatul Ishita. Wait, we will be discussing soon. Ishita, don't worry. Then one thing at this moment I would like to know from you. I'm using English. I don't know how I am using it. Dear students, can you understand my speech? Please give a text. Can you understand or can you get all my lectures, all my speech clearly? In spite of trying best, the boy could not reach the goal. Can you get my language properly, clearly? Let me know it. Give one text. She did well because she worked hard. Because of working hard, she did well. In spite of trying his best, he couldn't reach the goal. Try to write down the following sentences, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Yeah, we can. You can understand my English. Yes, sir, we can understand. Aisha Khan. So, my language is clear. Yes, sir, we can understand. Yes, sir. Speeches are clear. Thank you. So, we can continue classes in English. Why should we use Bangla in the English class? Okay. We can continue such languages in each and every class. Labuni Shaha. Can't you understand, Labuni? Labuni, please write something. You cannot understand my lecture. Labuni, give another text. You cannot understand my English. Is it? What about Labuni Shaha? Labuni Shaha, give another text, please. Can you understand my lecture, my English language? What I like to say? Everybody is saying that they are clear. Then what about you? Give me one more text, please. Can't you understand anything? Okay, she is not writing anything else. Yes, sir. If we use English in our classes, it's good for us. Thank you, Sharmin. Despite trying his best, the boy could not reach the goal. Okay. Now come to our topic. Let me discuss the sentences with you. You have done well. You have written well. Rodala, yes, sir. In spite of. Okay. Now please stop writing. Now please stop text. Text is stopped. Okay. Now come to the changing words. Complex to simple. Number 1. Labuni Shaha. No, sir. Then what's the problem with you? So you cannot understand maybe. Try. I am trying to use easy English. Labuni, just listen carefully and I think you will be able to understand, inshallah. Okay, wait. So now, dear students, look at my screen. Stop writing and look at my screen, everybody. Here we can see since is the linking word. Okay, since is the linking word. So for since we can use because of, or an account of, on account of, or due to, or owing to. Any one is allowed. Am I clear? So the mostly we use this one because of. That's why I am writing here because of. Okay, because of. So this is a subject, you know. After because of, since is a linking word. So after the linking word, this is a subject and this is a tense word. But because of, this is a preposition, and after preposition we cannot write the subject. So we can write only her. She is the subject, but her is not any subject because of her. And you see, this is a past tense, expressed past tense word worked. So I cannot write any tense word here. So I can write worki, working. As I discussed with you earlier, this working is not any tense. As you know, only ing does not express any tense. Neither it is present tense nor it is past tense. So because of is a preposition. After the preposition, no subject is allowed. So I changed she into her, and no tense word is allowed. So I changed worked into working. The other parts are okay. Okay, so this is your answer. Now you see, in the second sentence, in this sentence, here is only one tense word did. This is past tense and only one subject she. And we have no subject, no other subject, no other verb or tense word. So this is a simple sentence. This is a simple sentence. Okay. Yes, one more point for you. Okay, I will give the point later. Now come to number 2. Number 2. Here you see the linking word is here. So we will attack the linking word first. In this sentence, the beginning word, the first word was the linking word. So we attacked the linking word there. We changed the linking word into a preposition. But here we see the linking word is here. So the earlier part will have no change as usual. The boy could not reach the goal as usual, no change. We will start from the linking word. Linking word is although. As we know from the chart, from although we can make it in spite of, we can make it despite. Any one we like, it's up to us. So normally we use this one in spite of all the time. This is very common use. So let us do it, use it at this moment. The boy could not reach the goal in spite of. So you see, although. After although, this is a subject. Although is a linking word. And after the linking word, here is a subject. After the subject, here is a tense word, past tense. But in spite of, this is a preposition. And after the preposition, we cannot write any subject. If I write he here, this is a gross mistake. This is a mistake. So I can change it into his. He is a subject, but his is not subject. So he is changed into his, and you know this is past tense. If I just T or Y, this is the original word try, this is present tense and this is past tense. Okay. If I add ing here, so in spite of is a preposition, after the preposition no subject, no tense word. Trying and the other part is as usual. Okay. So finished. Am I clear? If you want to use despite, you can write in this way. In spite of, you can write only one word, despite. Okay. The boy couldn't reach the goal despite his trying his best. This does not sound nice. I have some more discussion. Let me have the discussion at this moment. She and she, same subject, same person. So if you do not write this her, if I delete it, it is correct. Because of working hard, she did well. Because this is she, and this she, same person. So if you write her, this is correct. If you do not write her, this is also correct. Am I clear? Now number 2. You see the boy and he, same person. Am I clear? So if you delete this his, this is correct. If you write it, this is also correct. So I think not writing is better. The boy and he, the boy and he, same person. So second time I need not write any his. So you can delete this his, because the boy, same person. Okay. The boy couldn't reach the goal despite trying his best. Okay. Now number 3. Number 3, look here, this is the linking word. So you have to attack the linking word. You have to attack the linking word. Now, though or although, you know, although, in spite of, despite, though, in spite of, despite, for this, in the same way here, although, we can change it into in spite of, and mother is a subject. We cannot write down the subject here. Then we can make it M-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. If I use apostrophe S, so this is not a subject. Mother is a subject, but mothers is not a subject. In Bangla, mother means ma and mothers means maer, something like this. Maer bhalobasha, something like this. So this is a preposition in spite of. After the preposition, we must not write any subject, so we cannot write mother here, but we can write mothers. Okay. And this is our tense word. We cannot write any tense word, so we can use B-E-I-N-G, being. Being means, let me give an explanation here. Be is the main word. Be is the main word. Okay. B is the main word, and B means, let me clear it. B means am, is, are, was where. Okay. Be means am is or was where. So if I use ing with am, this is not aming, this is being. If you use ing with is, this is not easing, this is being. Ing with are, this is being. Ing with was, this is being. Ing with were, this is being. Be is the main form of these 5 words. Okay. So was is here. So adding ing, we are getting being. And the other parts are as usual. Okay. Am I clear? So answer is finished. Now you can, we can do some other thing. I am doing it for you. You see, mother and she, same person. Mother is she is mother, same person. Then for that reason, we can, what we can do? This is the subject word, and this is not subject. In spite of the preposition after preposition, mothers is not a subject. So what we can do? We can delete this one. If we delete this one, mother is gone. Mother is not anywhere. So we should change this she into mother. And this is a better one. This is better answer. In spite of being sick, mother continued her duties as usual. Am I clear? You can write it in a better format in this way. Being sick. For these 2 words, we can use one word, sickness. This is better, but both are correct. This one is correct, this one is also correct. Both are correct. So we have done already 3 sentences. Now let me have your comments. What are your comments? Sir, if I write in spite of, in the, I'm not clear, Sharmin, Jasmine Shanti, Sharmin Ahmed, what kind of mistake you talked? So I don't know. Stop please. Don't talk guys. This is the main point. You have just gone out of track for a few minutes. So come back to our discussion again. I want to ask you something. I have already finished 3 sentences. What about your feelings? How are you feeling now? Is it difficult or easy? Tell me, is it difficult or easy? Give me some responses. Do you find the things, my discussions, easy or difficult? Tell me something about your opinion. We have so many people are here. You are making no response. Why? It's easy when you teach us. Okay, nice. Sir, if I write in spite of, I'm not clear about Lutfur Rahman, I'm not clear about your sentence, please write down the full sentence. Also easy, sir, it's easy, sir. Easy, sir. Sir, if we understand, then it's very easy. My question is, can you understand? Sharmin Ahmed, can you understand? Saira Akhtar Shuk, it's not that difficult as I thought. Nice, Saira. You thought it was difficult, but now it is easy. Thank you. So, let me have a revision talk. A revision talk. Simple work. Very simple job. Please stop writing. Look at the screen now. Since is the linking word. So, attack this linking word. Change since into a preposition. Okay. This is a subject. Destroy the subject. Either you delete it or change it. You can write her or delete it. And this is a tense word. Destroy the tense word, adding ing. Finished. This one is a complex sentence and this one is a simple sentence. Similarly, the case is here. This is the linking word. So, before the linking word, write as usual. The boy couldn't reach the goal, no change. Then attack the linking word. Attack the linking word. Our activity starts from the linking word. Although change it into a preposition in spite of. Okay. After the linking word, he is a subject. We deleted it, and then tense word is tried. We are adding ing, so tense word is destroyed and finished. Very easy job. Similarly, the case for number 3. Though the first one is the linking word, so attack this linking word. Though just we change it into a preposition in spite of. Okay. The word mother, we could write here mothers, but you see mother and she, same person. So, we need not write anything here. In spite of, now this was is past tense. So, if I add ing with was, it becomes being, because be is the original form. Wasing is not the word, being is the word. So, in spite of being and then sick, the other parts are as usual. But this she should be changed into mother. Okay, because this mother is gone. You see, this mother is no more here. So, this she should be changed into mother. And this is all about my topic, about my lecture on sentence number 1, 2 and 3. Now come to the other sentences. Oh, look another thing. Being sick, in one word, this is sickness. Being sick means sickness. So, you can use, both are correct. This one is correct and this one is also correct. Okay. Now, number 4. Where is our linking word? Because. So, this because is the linking word. So, the earlier part of the sentences should be as usual without any change. As usual. Okay. Now, because is the linking word. So, we have to change this linking word, and you can see here are the prepositions because of, on account of, due to, owing to. Let us use a new preposition due to. Okay. Now we can use, in place of because, we can change it into due to. Okay. So this is a preposition. I can use because of also. I can use owing to also. Okay. So due to is a preposition. After the preposition, this is the subject, and we cannot write this subject here. But you see, girl and she same person, so we can delete it. She is deleted. And with was we can use ing, being, being late. Finished. So this was a complex sentence, and this is a simple one. This is a simple sentence. The girl missed the lesson due to being late. As we use here sickness, we do not normally write down anything like lateness or something like this. That does not here nice. So due to being late is better English. Okay. Now the last one. Where is the linking word? This one is linking word. This one is linking word. So the earlier part, I am absent, is as usual. So we are attacking this linking word as. We can write here because of, owing to. Let me use owing to. Owing to. So as is a, look, in number 5 here is an important thing. In number 5 here is an important thing, dear. Due to being late, the girl missed the lesson. The girl missed the lesson due to being late. Rohima Akhtar, reply, you are correct. Jasmine Shanti, you are also correct. Due to being late, the girl missed the lesson. You are correct. You can write due to at the beginning. Due to being late. Jasmine Shanti, you are correct. One Arabic name, I cannot read it. You are also correct, the Arabic name. Okay. So thank you. Now let me finish the last one. So in place of as, we are using owing to. Owing to is the preposition. Mother is a subject. So we cannot write the subject here, but we can write MOTHER apostrophe S, mothers, and this is. So we can use ing with is. When we use ing with is, it becomes being ill. Finished. Now look, one important thing for you. Here this subject is I and this subject is mother. Two different people, two different persons. I is one person, mother is another person. So you cannot delete these mothers. You must write it. If you write in this way, I am showing you one thing. If we write in this way, if we delete these mothers, then what does it become? I am absent owing to being ill. So what does it mean? It means I am ill. Actually I am not ill, mother is ill. I am not ill, mother is ill. So you must mention mothers here, and this is a wrong sentence. Okay, this is one wrong sentence. I can pen through it. This is not correct. This is a wrong sentence. Okay, yes. For this I am writing it again. Being ill, in one word you can say illness. Okay, being ill means illness. So thanks a lot everybody, but I have still some discussions for you. At the beginning, the first sentence here, some girls wrote something for me at the beginning of the session. They wrote like this: because of H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-K-I-N-G, hard working. She did well. This was a sentence written by any of our students, some of our students. I want to ask you one question. Is this sentence correct or incorrect? Please give me your comment. Because of hard work, she did well. Is it a correct? Hard working, she did well. Is it a correct sentence or incorrect? I am talking about this one. Give me your answer. Anisha, because of mother illness, this is incorrect. But Nusran Jahan Shuthi is correct. Because of mother's illness. Anisha, because of mother illness, this is not correct. Because of mother's illness. Okay. Anisha, be careful. Mother is the subject, so you cannot write a subject after the preposition. Jasmine Shanti, yes, it's a correct sentence. Because of hard working, she did well. Is it a correct sentence? My question. Jasmine Shanti replied, it's a correct sentence. What about the other girls? Yes, it's correct sentence. Correct. M.S. Chaudhary, correct. Sharmin Ahmed, correct. Sabiha Binte Mustafa, I think it's correct. So she has a confusion. Correct the sentence. Okay, it's correct. So you are already thinking that it's correct. Yes, sir, I think this sentence is correct. Actually, this is correct, but not 100% correct. Look, now stop writing your comment. Look at my screen. Worked hard. So I just changed worked into working hard. This is correct. But when you are changing hard work, you must not use any ing here. This ing is excess. Hard work means working hard. Think a few seconds, please. Am I clear? So this ing, if you write any ing, this is not correct. You should delete, you should omit this ing. Am I clear? But if you write working hard, this is nice. And Anisha, as you wrote, mother sickness. You cannot write mother sickness, you have to write mother's sickness. Number 5. If you do not write this one, if you write mother sickness, this is not correct. You must write mother's sickness, because mother is the subject. Mother is the subject here, and owing to is a preposition, and after the preposition you cannot write subject. So you should write mother's. Anisha, clear? Okay. Now, yes, now I understand. Thank you. I am confused. What about Lutfur Rahman? You are confused about what? Oh, about the sentence. Yes, nice. Now are you clear now? Okay, Mr. Sattar. However, now come to another point, dear learners. I would like to talk something different to you. Everybody please listen to me and give your kind attention to me. Today we have done the whole class in English. We didn't use any Bangla. I think you have enjoyed it very much. But do you think we should continue the next classes in English as usual? Do you think it? Give me some comments. And another thing, the next session, I am talking to 9-10 students. The next session should it be on simple complex compound or a new topic? Do you like to have any new topic or the same topic continuation? I am asking you two things. Number one, should we continue the next classes in English version? And number two, should we change the topic in the next class? Am I clear? So give me the answer. Simply yes sir is not clear. Lutfur Rahman, but now I am clear. Thank you. Nice. Only yes sir is not clear to me. Not every time. That means we should, Giyasuddin Ahmed wants to say we should use some English, Kuchu Bangla. Yes. Some English, Kuchu Bangla. Giyasuddin Ahmed. So I agree with you. Same topic continuation. Nusrat Jahan Shuchi wants to continuation the same topic. Giyasuddin Ahmed says no. What does no mean? I'm not clear. New topic, sir. Muhammad Sattar, new topic. Nusrat Jahan Shuchi, same topic. Jasmine Shanti, sir, we should not change our topic. We should not change. Thank you so much for this class. I would love to have another session completely in English and I want another session about simple complex and compound. Lutfur Rahman. Okay. Because of talking in English, I feel very happy, sir. Now topic, sir. New topic, sir. Don't use English in every session. Okay. We will be using English, but there would be some mixture. Okay. Watching. Giyasuddin Ahmed is watching with me. Said Hassan, yes sir, we want you to take the in English on new topic. Same topic, sir, same topic. So I will take the decision. You have given your suggestions, I will take the decision. Okay. Now I think we should close the session at this moment. I don't know how you are feeling now. Maybe you are feeling nice. As you are making comments, if comment says the class is a bit successful, inshallah. So let us close the session at this moment. Okay. Thanks everybody. Allah Hafiz.